guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Notary Educators with Kimmi, your #1 notary educator. Yes, I said it. I'm claiming it. We got a lot of imitators, duplicators, but I'm the original G. What's up, people? Anyway, I am an educator. I teach notaries nationwide. Got a few groceries. Got to get it done. Why you got to get it done? How to know. You have your commission. You don't know what to do. Have their commission already. They have all of their supply for our other trainer / husband / notary.
Hello, people. How y'all doing this early evening?
So I thought I would hop on. Hello and welcome whoever is joining me. I thought I would hop on a little bit and tell you about how to start your notary business, what I recommend, the steps to have a successful business. I want to tell you about a job that I have tomorrow, and I will also let you know when I'm out there live doing that job tomorrow. I'll probably try to go live after I do the job. So let's talk about how to start your business first of all. Hey everybody, welcome. To start your notary business, you need to get your commission from your state, okay? Now I actually have books that I've written for all 50 states that you can look at to help you to learn how to properly start your business from A to Z, okay? The book is called Start Your Notary Business. Hey Geraldine, how are you? Welcome. What state are you calling from? I always say calling. What state are you checking in from? And are you already a notary? So, so you get your commission. A lot of people will ask me, well, Kimmi, can I go ahead and join your mentorship program or start taking your courses before I get my commission? I really like you to get all of the training and stuff after you get your commission. I compare it to buying a car and you don't have a driver's license, okay? So after you get your commission, of course, double back to us. If your state does require a test, most of them do not. You're in Alabama. Okay, great. Are you already a notary? You are already a notary. Okay. I'm looking at some Boys to Men tickets in Alabama, but I don't think I'm going to be able to afford them. Boys to Men, New Edition, and Tony Braxton are coming, but it's cheaper in Alabama than it is here in Atlanta. I just checked yesterday, so I don't know. We'll see what's up with that. So anyway, after you get your commission, then you double back to us for training. And what does our training look like? We teach you how to properly do your notarial duties, how to fill out properly the certificates, okay? How to change venues, everything you need to run your business properly. What supplies do you need? We go over all of that in the book. And then in the course, we go over all of these different things. We actually teach you how to build your business. When you're building your business, you need to know, how am I going to accept payments? Okay, your state, a lot of people say, well, I got my state training. Your state is going to give you bare minimum. Most states don't even have a training, okay? So that's why we developed a course that not only teaches you your duties, and we go beyond the basics, okay? Beyond the basics. When it comes to teaching you what to do as a notary, you know all the ins and outs, how to fix it if you make a mistake, okay? We teach you everything. And then we have live sessions every single week, okay? So we have the $27 point entry and the $47 point of entry into the Notary Business Success Program. Next question I get a lot is, how long do I have to stay in the program? You stay as long as you want to stay. We have people that's been with us for years, and the reason they stay is because the industry is constantly changing. They want to be an expert in their craft, and they love the camaraderie of the community. We have a great community.
What's that word?
Camaraderie. Oh, he liked that, y'all. Let's see his face. Let's see his face.
I like that.
He liked those big words.
Camaraderie.
My dad, guys, was a master with words. He didn't go to college, but he read a lot. That's something people would probably not know about my father. He was a big reader. My dad read a lot, and he knew words. So sometimes he would be saying something, I'm like, what we do, Jeff? We said, wait a minute, hold on. What we do, Jeff? We said,
where that word come from?
He said, where'd that come from?
Just throw it out.
Yeah, he just be throwing out words, and we sitting there like,
I don't know what he just said.
Yeah, we said we don't even know what he just said. And then sometimes we would joke and say, do he even know what he's talking about? Toward the last few years of my dad's life, he had brain tumors. So he lived a good life, though. He did. I miss my dad tremendously. But I'm about to tell you a story, the reason I tell you this. So he had brain tumors. So sometimes we would be talking about something, and he'll tell us, and we like, he don't know what he's talking about. He always knew what he was talking about, though. Me and Jeff would take a trip somewhere, and it would be like, we at our airport. My dad knew the airport because he would pick us up a lot or drop us off. And he would say, yeah, you come in on the north gate or the south gate. And we're like,
gate number
D5.
35. And
yeah.
Last time, and he's never flew out. Has he ever flew out?
Yeah, maybe once.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, but how would, anyway, because they have, when you come up the elevator and you got, let's B1 through 8 or something, or D through whatever. And then he's calling it like, he knows, he said, oh, you gonna fly out of gate number such and such. I'm like, oh, okay. In my mind, I'm like, how he know that? And as we were walking down the thing, and it was like, I said, that is D34, whatever it was. I said, that is exactly what I said. How do you know that? So we hadn't told him anything. So anyway, just a little thought.
So he would always know where he would always be correct. It was so funny. So anyway, though, back to running this notary business. So there's a lot of different things you can do once you get your notary stamp. Some different ways that you can make money is by doing apostilles. If you've not heard that buzzword, that is where you process documents or assist with the facilitation of documents that are leaving the United States going to another country. You can do ink fingerprinting, fill inspection, okay? Fill inspections. So our mentorship program, the all-inclusive, consists of all those different courses. They're all included in the monthly membership. So we actually teach you how to do all of those different things. It's not just dry videos that you're watching. I actually take you out there. So some of what you see here on the channel is the way we teach over in mentorship. So I get the question sometimes, well, Kimmi, you have enough information that you provided here for the community, the open community. This is what I call my community service work over here. So why do I need to actually join the mentorship program? Somebody put it best for me a few weeks ago, and I've been quoting them ever since. They said, and they're in mentorship, they said, yeah, I loved your content over here on YouTube, but I actually started growing and having a business once I joined mentorship. So and it's not a whack mentorship. It's not. There's no other word to put in there. It's not a whack fluff mentorship. We meet every single week. We're teaching and coaching every single week. So it's amazing. And the people that actually participate in the program, like coming to the live meetings, and those that actually participate in the live chat, I find that they do much better. If you guys have questions, welcome. Please feel free to drop them in the chat. And you can compare that to when we were under COVID and the children had to Zoom. The quality of everyone's life changed. Some things got better because of COVID, like even us using Zoom now, right? Because we were not big Zoom users prior to that. I had been on Zoom sessions. But the kids, the actual children that were in school, they did worse, a lot of them, by being on Zoom. And they missed that human contact. They missed that human interaction. So if you're trying to start your notary business by yourself, you don't have anybody that is speaking the same language that you're speaking, it can be difficult. It can be difficult. So to be with like-minded people when you see other people in the group and they're winning and they're doing their first apostille and their first field inspection job, or they're doing 30 of them. We got a guy, he does like a lot of field inspections. But that motivates you, and it says, you know what, if he can do it or she can do it, I can too. So that's another thing that you get from being a part of the mentorship program. So you can think about it, watch some of the videos. What questions do you have for me about starting your business?